When news of the virus emerged in January, the World Health Organization lauded Beijing's response.
We were very impressed with the level of engagement of the Chinese government at all levels.
But while the UN agency praised China in public, privately, officials were reportedly frustrated by a lack of transparency. An investigation by the Associated Press concluded that Chinese health officials not only withheld information about the outbreak, they also delayed distributing the COVID-19 genome by several days. Chinese health officials told the public that the possibility of human-to-human transmission was low. The WHO tweeted in agreement. But behind the scenes, agency staff were apparently skeptical. Portraying China positively, as WHO Director Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus did during a meeting with Xi Jinping in late January, was said to be used as a strategy to gain more information. China's foreign ministry says the Associated Press report is untrue.
Since the epidemic broke out, China has been acting in an open, transparent and responsible manner. We have stayed in close and sound communication and cooperation with the WHO.
Since the beginning of the outbreak, China's foreign ministry has denied any cover-up or inaccuracy when it comes to informing the public about the coronavirus. These new allegations deal an added blow to both Beijing and the World Health Organization at a time when the agency is struggling to maintain support.
Chinese officials.
Last week, Donald Trump said the U.S. was terminating its relationship with the WHO, accusing it of being China-centric. Chinese President Xi Jinping has meanwhile pledged $2 billion to the organization over the next 2 years, funding which analysts say could increase China's influence over the agency.
China's going to have more influence than ever inside the WHO, but for officials within the UN, this is a really difficult balancing act. They have to make sure that they keep China happy while at the same time not alienating other donors to the point that even more money gets pulled.
China has agreed to a WHO-led review into the origin of the pandemic once the outbreak is under control, an investigation which many will be scrutinizing when and if it does happen. Katrina, Al Jazeera, Beijing.